The 3D Experience platform helps CATIA V5 customers to improve the performance of a brake system, leveraging roles from CATIA and SIMULIA. Carol is a component engineer. She is responsible for the design of the braking system. Directly from CATIA V5, she can save her data to the 3D Experience platform. Jan is the engineering project manager. He can navigate the product definition from his cockpit and reveal it in 3D, whatever the CAD origin. He can check at any time and from anywhere the current state of the braking system engineering project. Kieran is the simulation engineer responsible for multidiscipline simulation to validate requirements for the brake system's structural noise and thermal cooling performance. Getting the right design up to date to perform these simulations has always been challenging for him. With the 3D Experience platform, he always has access to the latest design in a single engineering definition. All model preparation for simulation is captured and updated with any design change, saving time by avoiding manual translation of heterogeneous data. Kieran identifies modes for brake squeal. He also runs a multidiscipline simulation for thermal stress and cooldown. Jan reviews the results from the different discipline simulation, revealing any potential issues. He can list and track the issues and assign them to the brake engineer, triggering a collaborative resolution process. Carol is immediately notified of the design issues to fix. To improve the cooling performance of the rotor, Carol explores new alternatives with CATIA X Generative Design. Accessible on the platform from any web browser. Kieran will use SIMULIA Parametric Design Study to explore the design space. Potential designs are calculated for him automatically. He compares the performance of the top design alternatives and performs a trade-off over competing targets, selecting the best design that meets requirements. Carol is now working on another improvement on the brake caliper to reduce its mass using function-driven generative designer. The CATIA V5 initial design is used to set the bounding space to ensure the newly generated design will fit in the assembly. The expected structural behavior is input, and a compliant yet lightweight design is proposed automatically. Even in CATIA V5, Carol can visualize the new parts designed in 3D Experience CATIA. With CATIA V5 Power By, connect your V5 data into a single product engineering definition, navigate and collaborate from anywhere at any time, and reach the next level of innovation and performance leveraging the 3D Experience rules.